Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are well. Today we will revise about fraction and I will explain you about types of fraction. So firstly we have to revise what is fraction. So P upon Q. So P is any number, Q is any number. So this is a perfect example of fraction, but there is a condition. Q should not equals to 0. For example, if we write 3 upon 4, so this is correct, it's a fraction. But when we write 3 upon 0, so it's not a fraction. Understand? 3 upon 4 is an example of fraction, but 3 upon 0 is not a fraction because the numerator denominator should not equals to 0. Now we are moving towards some types of fractions. We have already known, but I am going to revise you. Firstly, we are writing about improper fraction. PRO, proper fraction. I am making a heading with the different color for better understanding. For example, if we write a number smaller in numerator and a bigger number in a numerator and a smaller number in a numerator denominator, so it's called a improper fraction. For example, again 16 over 4 and 81 upon 7. So if the numerator is bigger and the denominator is smaller, so it's called a improper fraction. Again, we are moving towards a different type, which is proper fraction. PRO, PER, fraction. Very easy to understand. The example for proper fraction is very easy. If we write a numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger, so it's called a proper fraction, like this: 81 here upon 100. Look at this, the upper part is smaller and the lower part is bigger. Another example, 101 upon 500. Very easy. Now we are moving towards another example for you about the type of fraction, which is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Some of the students already know about mixed fraction, which is not difficult for everyone because it's a very easy topic. For example, if we write a 3 here and inside we write 1 upon 2, you can see this is a mixed fraction. Again, one more example, 1 whole 1 upon 3. This is also an example of mixed fraction because we have first 1 here and there is a fraction like 1 upon 3. This is called a mixed fraction. Another example, 3 whole 6 upon 7. So class, we understand what is fraction. P upon Q is a perfect example or generalized form of fraction. Q should not equals to 0. This is a perfect example of fraction, and this is not a fraction because in denominator we see a 0. For improper fraction we can see that the upper part should be bigger, lower part should be smaller, means the numerator should be bigger and the denominator should be smaller. When we talk about the proper fraction, the numerator should be smaller and the denominator should be bigger, like 81 upon 100. Okay, when we talk about the mixed fraction, it should be like this: 3 here and 1 upon 2, 1 whole 1 upon 3, 3 whole 6 upon 7. Okay, I am explaining you more types, like we have more types like unlike fraction. So what is unlike fractions? Very easy. This is not new to you. So we make a heading for you. So for example, we have 6 upon 4 and 7 upon 2. So their denominators are different, so they are called unlike fraction. Again, one more example, 6 upon 5 and 8 upon 9. So their denominators are different. So they are called unlike fractions. Now, what is like fraction? Very easy. You can guess it. Like fraction. Okay. Very easy. You can write 2 upon 4 and 6 upon 4. You can easily see that 4 and 4 are common there. If the denominators are same in the fractions, so they are called like fractions. Another example, 7 upon 6 and 4 upon 6. Again you see their denominators are same. Okay, so you can say that these are the like fraction, these are the unlike fraction, because their denominators are different, their denominators are same. Now moving towards some advanced types of fraction, which is inverse, inverse and fraction. So very easy. For example, you have a fraction like 16 over 18. So you have to inverse it. So the answer will be 18 upon 16. Numerators become denominator and denominators become numerator, like this. For another example for you, 12 upon 3. If we inverse it, answer will be 3 upon 12. Okay class, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. We discuss about the fraction as well as some of the types of the fraction. I hope you enjoy the lesson again. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please send your love through comment section. Allah Hafiz.